Today Google Veo3 just got a massive update called Omni Flash, and honestly, this changed how AI videos are created. If you are using AI for content, you need to see this. Okay, so today I will show you the latest Veo3 Omni Flash update, including new setting, how to use them, and how you can create better AI videos instantly, and how to create avatar character. Very important tools. Okay, so let me show you a step by step. So I will show you a step by step how to use Google Veo3. So now I use Google Flow. Okay, Flow AI. As you can search on Google Flow AI. Okay, and you will get this link and enter this link, first link, and you will get this dashboard. So it is this is Google Flow dashboard. I use this tool for long times to create my project, personal project, and the client. So now I have 50 credit. Okay, so our Omni Flash, as you can see, Google add Omni Flash features. Okay, this is image format and this is video format. If you want to this format, just click on this or click on this. Okay, so now I need 16 by 9 format, and now click Omni Flash, or you can use light. Okay, so I first I want to show you video footage editing. Okay, at first I add a video. As you can see, this is my simple video. So just I play.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I post daily AI tools and hidden features you don't want to miss. Today, I'll show you the latest Veo3 Omni Flash update.
So this is a simple video. So now I want to change. So I want to change my background. So what I do? So this is Omni Flash features. Okay, and you can type change background. Okay, just you can type on change background. So what the next? Okay, just awesome.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I post
awesome.
daily AI tools and hidden features you don't want to miss. Today, I'll show you the latest Veo3 Omni Flash update.
Wow, just awesome. I write change background, and Google Omni Flash change my background. Okay, I want to add a kitten here. Okay, so just I type on add a kitten on the table. Just I write this and check Omni Flash.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I post daily AI tools and hidden features you don't want to miss. Today, I'll show you the latest Veo3 Omni Flash update.
Oh my god, just awesome guys. This I write kitten add on the table. Just Google Omni Flash change and add a kitten, just cute kitten, and he movement very smoothly. So
AI tools and hidden features you don't want to miss. Today, I'll show you the latest Veo3 Omni Flash.
Okay, so you can change anything. You can change any object. If you want to change monitor color, t-shirt color, okay, so background color, anything you can change. Okay, so this is Omni Flash power, guys. Now I want to change my monitor. Okay, monitor and my chair. Okay, so just I write change monitor and chair. Okay, and click on Omni Flash. So Omni Flash take 20 credit for video. Okay.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I post daily AI tools and hidden features you don't want to miss. Today, I'll show you the latest Veo3 Omni Flash update.
So as you can see, just amazing. Okay, so change chair, just amazing working Omni Flash. Okay, so now I will show you how to create avatar. Okay, this is very interesting tool. Okay, just click on right button and create avatar, or you can see character. Okay, just click on this and create avatar. So no problem, you can create from anywhere. Just I click this and create avatar and get a start. Okay, so this is scan the QR code with your phone or tablet. Okay, just click use this link your phone, and automatically you can add Google avatar or scan QR code. So okay, so now I'll show you and scan on my phone. So this is my mobile screen. I scan QR code and enter website. I agree, start my face, creating for avatar. Now I speak this word. I have to speak this word, and avatar will create my voice record. This is most important. So everybody, you have to speak loudly. So it's complete. Now my face is catching to create video successfully. Okay, right is perfect, and now left it's automatically catching my whole face. Okay, it's uploading. Okay, so now website is done, and now creating avatar, and finally done. Okay, this is very simple. Now I will show you how to create a character or how to create a video with avatar. So just click on project, and if you see this is my avatar. Okay, and click on add to from. So I put a from. So as you can see, I write I'm walking through the middle of the mountain. The birds are striping all around. The environment is very beautiful. The movie is a video. The dialogue will say what I will say. Just I write this, and I'm afraid to walk alone. This video was made. So just I just create on video and select ingredient and one video and select Omni Flash. Okay, so click enter button. So guys, my video is ready, so just watch this video.
This video was made entirely with Google Omni Flash and Avatar. Let me know in the comments how you enjoyed watching the video.
Wow, just amazing, powerful tool, this avatar and Omni Flash combined. So as you can see, my t-shirt and I set a mountain background and everything is okay. So you can change background or t-shirt, anything. You can add any animals. Okay, so for example, I want to change a background or add something else. So write a puppy is running behind me. Okay, at this prompt. Okay, so no problem, I click this and select Omni Flash and just click the enter button. So as you can see, if you see this video,
This video was made entirely with Google Omni Flash and Avatar. Let me know in the comments how you enjoyed watching the video.
wow, that's amazing. Just I put the from and tools Omni Flash add this object. Okay, so you can change anything, you can do anything, no problem. So that's all for today's video. Just let me know how you like using this trick and how it will be useful to you. So okay, comment below your comment. Okay, goodbye for the next video.